Congrats, Karishma, for your success.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, what's your education?
I've done my BTech in Computer Science Engineering.
Okay. Year of passed out?
Year of passed out in 2014.
Okay. What were you doing all these years?
All these years I used to work in NIT.
Okay.
So later I thought that it's not my career.
Okay.
Where as I've done my CSE.
Okay.
So I have to be in such a field that where I used to only work on the core part.
Okay.
So later on I taken decision to join the BRN INFOTECH.
Okay. How you got this BRN?
So I have gone through the Facebook website.
Okay.
So through that I came to know the number of students who are getting placed. And
Okay.
I thought that it's a best platform for everyone where they can choose a best career and where they can have a good career path as well.
Okay. So, how's the journey with the BRN?
The journey with BRN was so excellent. So
Okay.
because we used to have 8 hours of training.
Okay.
So in that, we used to give us certain task.
Okay.
So what we used to do is we had to complete the task and we will serve the things
Okay.
and self-learning as well.
Okay.
So where if there is any doubts, we'll go to him and get clarified the doubts.
Okay.
So yeah.
Have you ever expected, after these many years of gap?
No, I haven't expected.
Okay.
So as soon as we had got certain experience, like getting a hands-on experience here.
Okay.
So where we come to know how the real time the work will be.
Okay.
So this this institute had given me a lot of things to learn.
Okay.
But for that purpose only I am here and I
Okay.
got a job currently.
Okay. What's the first difference between first day of Karishma until today?
First day, I have a number of doubts whether I will get a place or not.
Okay.
So later on, I build up a confidence. So if you are here, so you need to get a job,
Okay.
and we need to be dedicated to the work.
Okay.
So which has gives me where I had worked on that in particular basis.
Okay.
So I spend my time for the tasks.
Okay.
And moreover, if they have any doubts,
Okay.
I get clarified by the sir. And moreover, I get a support as well from all this. That's the reason I had cracked this job
Okay.
as well.
Before joining BRN, definitely you might got a doubt because you got a gap. So whether you will get a success or not. How did you trust it? How did you trust BRN?
I trusted because many of them got placed.
Okay.
So if they, why can't I? That's the
Okay.
reason I thought if they get placed. So even I had a talent and everything.
Okay.
Well, if I can show that skills, well, I am already having skills, but I haven't got a correct part
Okay.
that cracking the jobs, and moreover it's hands-on experience that we got in institute
Okay.
where I haven't get in any other institute as
Okay. How do you differentiate normal trainings with BRN training?
So normal trainings, if you go with where I went previously for learning .NET and everything, so in Amirpet, we do have only 2 hours of training. And
Okay.
later on we won't get a specific systems to
Okay.
work on that. So we used to go and we used to learn but we don't get a exact how to work and what is system programming, how to do.
Okay.
So we don't know the exact what is experience. We can't get such
Okay.
things. Whereas in BRN, so being after explanation by the sir and everything, so we used to do our job.
Okay.
What is that if any task that he given, so like any pulse app, whatever the app he is saying, so based on that, based upon his constraints given to us,
Okay.
so we'll follow that, and moreover we will learn from the Google as well.
Okay.
So and he will also support us how to do and what to do and what not to do.
Okay.
So based on that, we'll get a lots of experience working in live.
Okay.
Going to whereas if we go for different institute, but we won't get such a knowledge and everything.
Okay.
And dedicated systems as well.
Okay. So you might have seen a lot of success videos before joining BRN. Now your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
I am really feeling. I don't have any words, but for me it's a very happier thing because this institute is providing the placement agencies as well.
Okay.
So I feel that I am being part of this institute. It's a great pleasure for me.
Okay.
Where I came here and get a job here.
Okay.
That's give me a lot of happiness.
Okay. So what do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
So what I'm institute is instead of going for the Amirpet Institute and spending time over there and spending the money over there, so better if the money doesn't matter. The only thing is that we have to where we will get a dedicated systems here and we will get a career right path, how to work and how the real time work will be in the future.
Okay.
So this being a part of BRN will help you out and where you can get a good job and get a success in it.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.